I already have on the wig cap, so you already know what time it is. Got a new glueless one to review. Oh, hey, by the way, you don't know me, I'm Tanisha, and I got a lot going on, but whatever I find, I'll make sure that you know about it too. All right, so this is from Onice. It's probably not even pronounced that way, but that's how I'm going with it. Okay, this is a 12-inch glueless curly unit, okay? I'm gonna try it right out of the pack. I don't see anything extra in here. Oh, the extras are here. Okay, so we got lashes for the ladies that love lashes. And your cap. All right, and this is real big, 12-inch. Let's see, because we are coming up on the fall, and definitely want some curly units. Ooh, I'm kind of liking this already. I haven't even got it out. Okay. Oh, okay. What is that? Has a smell to it. Yeah, definitely gonna have to wash it. But this one is, I remember correct. I think it's pre-cut. I thought it said, okay. On the back, let's see what it says. Okay, it just says glueless. Okay, but anyways, just by looking at it, I can tell you that it is pre-cut, which I love, because I'm not the best at cutting. So there we go. So it does have the strap for indeed to be glueless, which is also removable. Okay, and then it has comb at the bottom, comb there, 2 combs on the side at the top, combs there, and can be adjusted as well. So let's pop this thing on, and of course the band can be adjusted as well for the glues. Let's pop this on and see what we're working with. Oh, and there is also, I see this comb here, comb like midway as well. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Let's see what I'm working with. Ooh. Nothing on it yet, but it kind of looks a little crazy on me because I have not, like, it's straight back first of all, and I have a big old forehead. I can talk about myself, y'all just better not. But I do have a big forehead, so let me put a little bit of this on it because I hate when that looks like, it looks so ashy, right? So let me do that real quick. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I just wanted to kind of like, and I'm just gonna use my finger. I use this Ruby Kiss one. I think I saw somebody else use it. And I'm just using my finger to like literally put it on this part because I want to try to make it match my skin tone as much as possible, okay? Yeah. Get that in there. I want it to be quick. I don't feel like being here all day. I am definitely going to wash it though because I don't like it to be like smelling. I mean, it's not horrible smell. Like, I've smelled ones that were a lot worse. I will say that, like coming out of the pack. So this just has like a regular smell on it. So I'm going to end up washing it and conditioning it with this, ooh, this wonderful shampoo that I got, wig shampoo that I got for synthetic and real hair. This one smells so good. That's really good. Oh my God. Oops. Wonderful. Okay, so we're good. Let's pop this back on. Now, I was starting to like it already when I first had it on. It just, okay. So that looks a lot better. Now I got some of it right here. Making it look a little ashy. It's okay. We're gonna wash it anyways, but, yeah. Okay, so now it looks like more like my scalp, right? And for me, I love a good part. I don't like to wear like, I'm not a big metal part person. I've done it before, but with my 5 head, I've just always liked to have it more of a and I still consider myself fairly new to like wigs, even though like I do more of, I like to do glueless because I'm not as well versed in doing the lays and cutting it, and I don't want to have to dye and all that stuff. So I know they have different ones that have different parting sizes and all this stuff, but at the top I can already see that it's just here to here, so it's not like ear to ear, and I forget what the measurements are for those. So again, we'll just leave that at that. But if I just put a part, now this is said it's 12 inches. This is a nice size for 12 inches. Because I could have sworn 12 inches was shorter than this. I could have sworn, if I swore correctly, like this is giving more than 12 inches. But this is cute though. Just putting a part in it, right? Now, I don't know what the density is on this. I would really have to check on the thing, but this is like, it's not like super thick, you know what I mean? But I think I'm liking this one. I'll put a little bit of water on this and see how this is. Come on. See how this fares out with some water on it. I do love like this curl pattern though. Like this wavy curl pattern. I love when a part going to the right. And this is cute. This is definitely one that I'm gonna have a rotation with this. As soon as we get into some cooler weather now. Not before that because cannot do it, but let's see. Now let me look like right here. Yeah. I don't know. And I need to hide that a little bit better. Bring this up, but this is nice. Put a little bit of foam on it. My favorite foam to use. I have to get some more. I love this foam. And I like it because it's not sticky like some of those other foams are. Oh my gosh, that's so annoying to me. Foams that be super sticky. Like, yeah, you can really work this as a wear and go, yes. As a wear and go unit, absolutely. Absolutely. This is, yes. It looks like it's my right hair. Yeah, it feels like it's my right hair. And I'm not like somebody who has super thick hair either, so yeah, like the density of it is perfect too. This is supposed to be 12 inches. I say this is at least 14, if not 16. Am I like, I'm right? Yeah, it's so cute. So cute. And I know some people like to like flatten it down with the iron here and all that. This throw it and go. Just tint that part there. Make sure you snug it down. I would also like here, it's like a little tab, so I would either cut that a little bit more or just make sure that blends well. It does, I notice and my glasses are always in the way, but I noticed that it does have like the ear tab, yes, right? So like, it has it where it like cuts off right where the ear will usually be, which is great. And I think I have what's considered a smaller head, at least I've been told that, so. But this works. Throw on and go. I'm rocking with this. Yeah. I did it. This is so cute. I'm liking it. I didn't do nothing to it. I put some water on it and some mousse, and this is it. Like what? I'm gonna style it some more, but I like it. I like it. Like just to wear it just like this. And I'm good. I'm gonna show y'all the back. I can't see it too much. It's a go for me. Yeah, it's a go for me. I have all the information. Look for it.